This is a review of the Philips Norelco beard trimmer and hair clipper. I really like its low profile, very easy to grip in my hand, and of course you have 10 different length settings, and the fact that there's only one guard that you put on here. I know with other trimmers you've got multiple guards you're switching out. The great advantage to this one is that you're just using one guard, but when you twist this, it just moves the guard further away from the blade, depending on how long you want your beard or your hair to be when you trim it. And it clicks really nicely, very smooth, and just very ergonomically very comfortable. And then here is the power button. So if I push it, you can see it's very quiet, runs very well, no oil needed to use this. It comes with a AC charger with an adapter like that, and if I plug it in, you'll see this green light come on indicating that it is charging, and you get about 90 minutes of use with charging this, and it can take a few hours for this to charge, but you just keep it plugged in and then it's ready to go. Great for travel too, and gets it really close. Gets the cutting really close. Oh, I should say you can take off this guard to clean it, just pull it off, and then you can rinse it and then simply push it back on, and then you can adjust it to your preferred length depending on how you're cutting. So highly recommend this Philips Norelco beard trimmer and hair trimmer. Thanks for watching my review.